Slant height, it is a pyramid, so slant height also you have to mark on the top view. Next, keep the numbering A, B, C, D, E. Now draw the projection line and complete the front view. Now in the problem it is saying that is one side actually slant portion is lying on the horizontal surface. That is, it is totally, if you incline it, the one slant height automatically touches the ground. That's why this is drawn. First it is rotated in this way. Now what we will do, use the same procedure. These points, from here you will draw the vertical lines, from here you will draw horizontal lines, you will intersect the points. Just let me check it. আচ্ছা, এটা আজকে বোঝাবো না, এটা বোঝাতে গেলে তোদের মাথা খারাপ হয়ে যাবে আজকে, ঠিক আছে? এটা আজকে বলছি না, ঠিক আছে? এটা ছেড়ে দেখে বুঝতে পারবে কি করেছে, অ্যাকচুয়ালি কি করতে চাইছে। সেকশন 2 shape is taken here, means it is cutting here, cutting line here, you can see this is cutting line. After cutting, what will be the what shape you will get in the front view and what will be the true shape. So just to forget about this, let me discuss problem number 3, cylinder. Problem number 3, no, not this one. Okay, so I am discussing this part. Okay, so you can see one thing as of now. So one right circular cylinder is standing on HP. What will be the front view? Front view triangle, top view circle. Now circle has been divided in 12 equal number of divisions. Now same numbering. Suppose this is 1, then 2, 3. In clockwise direction numbering has been given, and from every point from the top view, projection line has been drawn which is touching the XY. You can see, like this is 1 means you draw a vertical line. It is touching here, so this point is 1. This point 7 means draw vertical line, it is touching here, it is 7. Now 2, 12 will pass with the same line of action, so this point will be 2 and 12. Next, this point 3, 11, it is 4, 10. You can see 5, 9, 6, 8, this is 7. So please tell me up to this is clear or not, or you are not understanding, tell me. Up to this is clear. It is divided 12 equal divisions. Just drawing the projection lines that is touching the reference line, given the numbering one, and height is given so that easily you can draw the cylinder. But what happened in this case? In right circular cone, you don't have slant edge. It is a round shape. Don't have edge. Okay, because in this figure, in this problem, you can see the sharp edges, slant faces is there, but here it is not present. But for drawing purpose, we have taken the points, and these points shall be marked with the apex, with the thin lines. Now where you have to place the cutting plane? Read the problem, try to understand. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to BP, inclined at 45 degree to HP. Where, because the cutting plane is 45 degree and cutting axis at a point 35 millimeter from the apex. That means from 35 millimeter from the apex, here you have to draw a cutting line. Similarly, what I discussed for the first problem. So, this is 35 millimeter dimension measured from the apex. Through this point, you have to draw the cutting line. Understood? All of you? This is cutting line now. Now these cutting line are intersecting with different lines. Like for first one at 1. So this cutting line is intersecting with 1 at this point. From that point you have to draw the vertical line, which you have to intersect with O1. Because it is O1, here in between O1 you have to intersect. Similarly, this cutting line is intersecting with 212 line at this point. So if you draw a vertical line from this point, you have to intersect with 2 and 12 both. That means if you draw a line vertical, it will mark here, you have to mark on the 2 line. Similarly, you have to mark on the 12 line. Understood or not? Similarly, 311. Suppose you consider this point is the 311 point with the cutting line. If you draw a vertical line that will intersect with 3 and 11, so you have to mark in this way. See what is called actually. So after marking one point, one problem you will face. That is 410. Okay? 410 is this point. It is intersecting point in between cutting line and 410 line. Now what happens if you draw the vertical line, it will not intersect with 410. That's why the same procedure you have to apply previously. You have to draw a horizontal line. You have to measure this distance. This distance will mark from O point on 4 and 10 in opposite side. This is 4, this is 10. You have to take this distance. Otherwise, other lines you can see. Suppose this point 7, you draw mark on the 7 line. Clear? Tell me if you have doubt. And you also know that it is a right circular cone, so you will get the which shape. Actual true shape will be ellipse. True shape will be ellipse. So now on the top view, this is not circle, this is not ellipse, but it is a smooth curve. Now next step, what we have to do? We have to draw the true shape. How to draw it? From these points, you are getting these points, you have to draw the vertical lines in this direction. Or you have to draw the vertical lines. Now what we will do? Next step, this one point, you have to take dimension from, you have to take take the distance from reference line, because this is one point. You take distance, vertical distance. From this one, you cut here. You will cut this distance over here. Similarly, these 2 points, you will measure from reference line. From this 2, you will cut here. You have to mark all the points over there. So this is one, or here it is marked as A actually. It is marked as A. Then this one will be, these are the points. Now if you join, you will get the ellipse. This is the true shape. Now side view is your task. So let's start drawing. This one is the today's task you have to complete. Okay, start drawing please, quickly. I had discussed 2 problems today after puja vacation. So after puja vacation, rest of the 2 we discuss. So please start your drawing, or it will be better, please try to understand this thing, complete it, other 2 also. I have discussed 2 problems after puja vacation. Rest of the 2 I will not discuss. That is your home task actually. I forgot to mention. That is your home task. You try to understand and complete it please. আমি দুটো বলে দিলাম তো, বাকিগুলো বুঝে বুঝে করো।